Air leakage is one of the most common issues homeowners face, and it can significantly impact both comfort and energy efficiency. In Eagle, where temperatures can shift between hot summers and cooler seasons, poorly sealed doors often allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. This leads to drafts, uneven temperatures, and higher energy bills. Upgrading to high-quality replacement doors is one of the most effective ways to solve these problems and create a more comfortable living environment. One of the main causes of air leakage is worn-out or outdated doors. Over time, materials can warp, seals can deteriorate, and gaps can form around the edges. Even small openings can allow a noticeable amount of air to pass through. Replacement doors are designed to eliminate these issues by providing a tight, secure fit within the frame. This improved sealing helps block unwanted airflow and maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Modern replacement doors are built with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature insulated cores that act as a barrier against heat transfer. In Eagle, this means keeping warm air inside during cooler months and preventing heat from entering during warmer days. This insulation helps your home stay comfortable without overworking your heating and cooling systems, leading to better efficiency and potential savings on energy costs. Weather stripping is another key component in solving air leakage problems. High-quality replacement doors include advanced weather stripping that seals the gaps between the door and the frame. When the door is closed, this material compresses to create an airtight barrier. This not only prevents drafts but also helps keep out dust, moisture, and outdoor pollutants, contributing to a cleaner indoor environment. Proper door alignment is also essential for preventing air leaks. A door that is slightly misaligned may not close evenly, leaving small gaps that allow air to pass through. Professional installation ensures that the door is level, square, and properly fitted within the frame. This precise alignment is critical for achieving the full benefits of a replacement door. Another important factor is the quality of the door frame. Even if the door itself is well made, a damaged or weak frame can compromise its performance. During the replacement process, professionals inspect the frame and surrounding structure to ensure everything is in good condition. Addressing any issues before installation helps create a solid foundation for the new door and prevents future air leakage. Replacement doors also improve overall indoor comfort by eliminating drafts. Drafts can create hot or cold spots near entryways, making certain areas of your home less comfortable. By sealing these gaps, replacement doors help maintain a more balanced temperature throughout your living space. This makes your home feel more consistent and enjoyable year-round. Noise reduction is another added benefit. Air leaks often allow outside noise to enter along with air. A well-sealed replacement door helps block these sounds, creating a quieter indoor environment. This is especially valuable for homeowners in areas with traffic or outdoor activity. Durability is another advantage of modern replacement doors. Built from materials such as fiberglass, steel, or high-quality composites, they are designed to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. In Eagle, where doors are exposed to both heat and cooler temperatures, this durability ensures long-lasting performance without warping or cracking. In addition to functionality, replacement doors can enhance the appearance of your home. A new door provides a clean, updated look that improves curb appeal. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes available, homeowners can choose options that complement their home's design while still addressing practical concerns like air leakage. Ease of maintenance is another benefit. Modern replacement doors are designed to require minimal upkeep. With durable finishes and strong materials, they maintain their appearance and performance with simple, routine care. In the end, replacement doors offer a practical and effective solution for air leakage problems in Eagle residences. By improving sealing, insulation, and overall performance, they help create a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and quiet home. For homeowners looking to eliminate drafts and enhance their living space, upgrading to a high-quality replacement door is a smart and lasting investment.